Okay. So rule number 4, we have numbers. Okay. So listen to, sorry. All right. So listen to 10 and teen numbers like 40 and 14. Do you hear a regular pattern? 60 candles. Gate 40. May 30. 80. 16 candles. Oh, I'm sorry. I should have read them right next to each other. 60 candles, 16 candles. Gate 40, gate 14. May 30, May 13. 80, 18. Do you guys hear our pattern?
Yes.
What's the pattern? So the stress is on the teen. When you have a teen number or a number that ends with teen, that is the stressed portion of the word. Cool?